Seeing you come into our store every day with a towel that was messed up or that baby onesie or whatever that was important for us. And so that was when, I always say that's when we jumped the fence. We got out of retail and we crossed the fence and went over into manufacturing so that we could really dig into creating this awesome line of products, and it was a huge learning curve, but I just thank all of our consumers for that great education of teaching me what we needed to do differently, because we know that our consumers put anything under the needle, not just a shirt, a jacket, or a cap.
If it had to be able to embroider on wood, yes. Nylon stockings, yes. Toilet paper, yes. You name it. If it would fit under the needle, they expected that machine to work. And so Kay designed a line of products that would work for any project at all.